Warren Buffett's interpretation of financial reports. Number 46. Retained earnings. The secret to getting rich. With net earnings you have a choice. Pay out as a dividend or save as retained earnings to grow the business. Retained earnings can be found in the balance sheet under Shareholders Equity. Called retained earnings. Warren retained the earnings from Berkshire Hathaway 100% from day one, and used it to grow the business. He bought D.C.A Companies with retained earnings over and over again. This has made him one of the richest men on the planet. Take the after-tax net earnings, less any dividends payout and expense in buying back stock. Will give you the retained earnings pool. It is an accumulating number. Each year the retained earnings are added to the previous pool. If a company loses money, the loss is taken from the previous retained earnings pool. If the business is not adding to the previous retained earnings, it is not growing. When two companies merge, their retained earnings are pooled. Increase retained earnings is a good indicator of a D.C.A company. Keep this process up, and you will start counting your net worth in the billions. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, treasury stock. We like to see this on a balance sheet.